How to transfer from Binance to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer from Binance to Binance. So after you open your Binance app like this, now go to assets. So if you come to this asset now, go ahead and tap on this withdraw. So from this withdraw, now tap on this, as you can see now, withdraw again. After you select this withdraw, now go ahead and search for the coin or a crypto coin that you want to withdraw. So let's say for me, I want to withdraw BTC. So select the BTC like this. So from this option now, select send via email, phone, and ID. After you select this one, there is 3 methods for you to withdraw from Binance to Binance. So tap on this send mode. So from this option now, you can send the from Binance to Binance. You can use email address, phone number, or Binance ID. So for me, I'll send using Binance ID. I'll select the Binance ID. So I will type in my Binance ID in this option. Now here is my Binance ID. Now specify the amount you want to withdraw. I will, let's say, withdraw 0.8 BTC. So from there you can tap on this send button. Now from there the money will be sent into my Binance account. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.